We're going to start out with a warm colored piece of paper. Out of these two choices, which one is warm? Yep, the orange. To start out with, go ahead and take your piece of paper and fold it in half. Open it up again. Notice we have now a division between our paper. What we're going to do is fold that piece of paper again. Now we're going to work on just half of our piece of paper. We will be using warm colors to paint flowers on our piece of paper. These flowers are going to be organic shapes. We're going to use warm colors to paint our organic shapes. So I'm going to start right in the center with two little swooshes. Now I can continue with the same color, or I can actually do some mixing. So I'm going to take a little bit of red, make a couple of swishes around. Maybe I'll take some white. Swish, swish, swish. This is starting to look like a flower. I'm using quite a bit of paint as I'm moving around. When I have my organic shape or my flower completed, I'm now going to open up my piece of paper. Now I'm going to fold it right on top of my paint. With my hand, I'm going to give the back of this piece of paper a nice massage, making sure that I'm covering all the parts of my paper. Now I'm going to open it up, and I just have created a print. Here's one flower, here's the print of the flower. I have some extra room down here, so I'm going to make another flower or two. These look great. Let's give them some time to dry. Now I'm going to be working on my cool color. Instead of creating flowers this time, I'm going to create leaves. So we'll start the same way, folding our piece of paper in half. You can either keep your paper in half like we did last time to make sure that you're only painting on one side, or if you can remember to just paint on one side, you can leave your paper open. Either way will work. Now we'll be using paints to create cool colors. Here's the deal with cool colors. Blue is a cool color, but in order to make the other two colors, we need warm colors such as red and yellow. So we will be using blue straight up to make our leaves, but we're also going to be mixing in some yellow to make our green, and you can even use a little bit of red to make some purple. Remember, use a lot of paint. Make your leaves and then print them. Give a nice massage to the back of your piece of paper. Open it up and you should have a leaf on both sides. Now that I've completed all of my leaves, I'm going to let them dry as well.